I like my girls just like I like my honey. Sweet, little selfish.
It's the time of the year where I need to start working on my holiday collection. So in today's Vlogtober video, we're going to start working on our holiday mystery box along with our holiday emails, picking out items for our holiday collections. Let's get into today's vlog. I'm currently working on my emails for the holiday season. This, I believe, is going to be my holiday launch announcement email. I'm loving this color pattern that I chose. My model is wearing a ho 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 sweater, which is available on my website, along with the bow straight leg pants. Those are also available on my website. I think I'm liking how this email is coming together. I still need to add a few more, little touches to it, but this is the overall gist. I will, of course, add my new products in there, so just bear with me, y'all. I've already started gathering my designs and creating designs. I have some car coasters, cold cups, and a bunch of different other graphics that I will be using for this Christmas collection. Let me show y'all some of the car coasters. These are some of the car coasters that I will be having. This is a little pink truck. This is a gingerbread house, and this is a gingerbread man. These are some of the shirt designs that I will have this year. I need to finish getting ready, so I'm going to go brush my teeth and put a little bit of makeup on for y'all so that I'm not looking bleh. I will see you guys when we get to the office. I've been busy filming content all day. Let me show you guys the Christmas box that I have right here. This is just one of them. This isn't how they're gonna fully come, but this is just for me to take product photos. There are several items you could get. You could get some fluffy socks. These aren't the only ones that I have. These are just the ones that I have right here on hand. You of course get some stickers. You can choose between a cup or a mug. You also get a t-shirt. You can let me know in an email or send me a DM if you do place an order for one of these and there's a specific shirt that you want. I can do that for you. Just let me know. As long as you tell me, I can try to do that for you. It also comes with a hair accessory. This one is a star hair claw, and I have a bunch of earrings that I'm going to include. I have some candy canes, some gingerbread men, and the little Debbie tree cakes. So some of those will be going in there. I'm not sure just yet what else I might include in there, but I do want to include some jewelry. And I'm currently shopping for some jewelry that I can add to this mystery box. I want to do some gold jewelry and then have silver for when I have silver items in the box. I want to try to keep the boxes cohesive like I was doing with my Halloween boxes. But that's the overall gist. So I'm going to get working on packing up some of the holiday orders. I'm going to start moving all of my Halloween stuff out and start moving all of the Christmas stuff in because it's that time of the year again. This is the last little Halloween goodie bag that I have. So I'm just going to take that and sit that to the side, back on the shelf. It is freezing cold. I'm currently on my TikTok shop through Shopify, the integration, and I'm going to make sure that I know I said I was taking my products off of TikTok shop. I still really want to do that. I don't know. I'm going to sync over my holiday grab box to TikTok shop just so I can start getting some eyes on it. I need to resync my Christmas grab box, but I also added in my Christmas era t-shirt, and I'm going to add in, I think, this festive AF Christmas tee. Let me sync that over as well. Sync that again, and then we're just gonna wait for everything to sync over and we'll check it out on my TikTok shop. I keep saying I'm going to close my TikTok shop, but I get so many sales from there that I don't want to close it. But it's the fees and the return fees that are really catching up to me. What do you guys think? Do y'all think I should close my TikTok shop or keep it up? I really want to close it because it's not what it used to be. People return things for absolutely no reason. I had 3 back-to-back returns for the same item, and they were saying that the item did not arrive in time when I know in fact it arrived several days before the estimated delivery date even was. So why purchase if you weren't going to use it, That's neither here nor there. I have some inventory that I've been saving for kind of like Christmas time. But I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing some of this stuff and putting it out on the shelf. She's naked, don't mind her. That's not a real person, that's a mannequin YouTube. I had somebody comment on one of my videos and they were like, are my eyes playing a trick on me? Is that somebody standing behind you? And I went and watched the video back and I was like, oh no, that's just my home girl back there. She's just chilling. I be forgetting to cover her back up sometimes, so she's chilling. I'm gonna put a wintry outfit on her. I think I'm gonna put this cute sweater on her, and I think I'm going to pair it with the blue shorts. I think that'll be a cute outfit. I'm gonna take some pictures when it's on her also, and we'll see how that outfit looks. But these are some of the cups that I ordered. Well, they're bottles, they're metal bottles. My theme for Christmas this year is a coquette Christmas. So I wanted to add a lot of pinks and blushes and nudes to my lineup. I got some of these blush pink bottles, metallic bottles. They come with a little lid. These are so cute. They're like a neutral pink tone. I want one of these for myself, but I'm not gonna be greedy and I'm gonna leave them all for you guys to purchase. You can check them out on my website, shopdaisy.com. I don't know if I have them up just yet at the time of me posting this vlog, but I'm getting them out on the shelf for y'all. I just did some rearranging. I didn't show y'all because my camera is dead, so I'm recording on my phone right now. But I did some rearranging. I moved my clothes rack to this side and I moved the shelf over there. I honestly think I'm gonna change it again. I think I'm gonna move my backdrop over here, move my bookcase over here, and leave my clothing rack right there in front of the backdrop as well. We'll get to that later. Let's put these on the shelf. Most of them up on the shelf. I'm not going to crowd my shelf too much with them, so I'm going to put 9 of them up on the shelf. How is that looking? I need some light over here in this corner, so let's rearrange this again really quickly. This is what it's looking like currently. I just need to sweep up over there, and I might add a little decorative rug over there. I bought some a while back that I currently have up for sale on my website, so I might just add one over there so I can take some more pictures with it and everything. I still have up my spooky bats backdrop because it is still October, so I still want to do some, like, you know, spooky content when Halloween comes around. I'm leaving that up. I put the lights back up. That looks so cute. And then I have moved the shelf over here on this side. I have all of my Christmas stuff. Well, not all of it. I have some of my Christmas accessories up on the shelf. We changed the mannequin together. She has on one of our sweaters, one of our crappie sweaters. So cute. And she also has on the blue gingham shorts, which I only have a few of these left. Just moved my clothing rack over here along the wall. So cute. This is one of my favorite pieces, the pearled sweater. The pearled sweater vest. That is so cute. Can't wait to style that for y'all. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like right now. I added the shoes back under there. I have to get some more shoes to fill them out. But I did add my fluffy pink shoes that I used to sell. If you want me to bring those back, just let me know and I can try to bring those back in pretty much any color they make them now. Loving how it looks. Look at how cute that looks in the background, y'all. So cutesy. It looks like a little store over here in the corner. That's the kind of feel that I was going for when I was rearranging this, because I wanted to come and have like a content corner where I can film content, and the ugly brown closet doors was just not doing that for me. So I covered one of them up. The shelf is easily movable, so I can pull it out if I ever need to get into the closet, or if anybody else needs to get into the closet. Yeah, I think this is cute. I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Let me show y'all the Christmas mystery box that I'm working on right now. This is one of the Christmas mystery boxes that I'm working on. This one is mainly just to take product photos, so I added one of the Christmas candles, the earrings, the hair bow. I just need to get a shirt to put in here. I need to make one of the shirts to put in here because I haven't made every single one of the shirts just yet, so that y'all can see what's going on in my process. So I'll show you guys that tomorrow, maybe, if I work on that tomorrow. I do need to get back to finishing that pile of purple shirts right there. It's just a handful of shirts. I can go ahead and knock it out and get it in that box, and then I can close the box off. I forgot to show y'all that I started working on some of the Christmas fluff for the mystery boxes. This is what I have so far. I just have a bunch of shred together. I'm gonna mix this all together, and I'm gonna add some little sparkly elements into it, maybe some little candy cane. We'll come back to that. It is currently 3:30. I think this was all I'm going to work on that was holiday or Christmas themed today. We might come back and pick this up again tomorrow. I'm waiting on some new products to come in so that I can finish taking example pictures of the boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogtober video. Bye!